Got him?
Yeah.
Feel decent?
Big. Yeah.
Big?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Ah.
Sorry.
No, they bite hard. Here. You want the net?
No, I'm good.
You gonna boat flip it? There you go. First one. Very nice. There's one. Oh, shit. Thought he got me caught up in my trolling motor. He kind of did. Oh, I had one. This one's big.
Big.
Yeah, he's decent.
Keep in the water. I'm getting back.
Take your time, take your time. I gotta tire it out.
Then we get in the back of the front.
We'll get him right here.
The line's moving.
Get it. Oh, wait.
Sorry, yeah.
No, you're good. Get it. There you go. Good job.
Yeah, you got him in there. You're good.
What do you think?
Belly on him.
Yeah, see, that's how most of them are, man. Let it go.
Yeah.
Like the venison, the beef, whatever. The cow. There's another.
Bigger?
Yeah, he's all right.
Need that?
Nah, okay, I'll flip him in here. What if it's the same fish? Nah, it's not. There we go. Thanks, buddy. Oh, there's one.
Big one?
He's all right. Oh, he might have gotten off. Oh, nope, he's still on.
Bigger?
Oh, he's all right.
Want that?
Oh. Got a wild one.
He's bigger, yeah.
Yeah, he's not bad. I think the last one I caught. Chunky monkey, huh?
Yeah. Good enough or probably not?
Yeah, we'll throw it back.
Okay.
Big old boulder right here. Money. Cast left, like up against those reeds right there. Something's got to take it. Yeah. It's a nice light cast. Just lob it. That's a fish. Yep. Yeah, he's all right. About average. Little football. Look at how fat it is. Yeah. Hey everybody, Josh from Real Ridge Media here today. This is our biggest fish so far, caught off the drop shot, 5150, of course, the go-to. This is my buddy Jack here. Jack, what did we catch that fish off of today?
We caught it off of a, what was it, topwater?
Yeah, we caught it off of topwater, off of a whopper plopper. We had a bunch of bites this morning around 5 to, what do you think, 7 o'clock?
7:30 about.
Yeah, 5 to 7:30 on topwater. This one we caught off of a whopper plopper, which is pretty great. Off a drop shot, it's about 10 o'clock. These are our two bigger ones of the day. A lot of dinks, but you know, it's a ton of fun over here at Saguaro Lake. I'll come here every day if I get the chance to. But anyways, we're gonna get the release on these guys. Let's go to get a release on her. Casted way into that mesquite tree right there. Got one. Yeah. Decent.
Net?
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, don't be. That's. It don't matter anyways. It was stuck under the thing. Oh, that's a little one. Put him in the net. I don't like the boat flip. Going to cast towards that little rocky point right there. Huh?
Is he big enough to keep? I mean, if he is, I just wanna. I was like, is he big enough to keep?
He's a little small. There you go, nice fish. There we go. Here, go and take that. I'm snagged, so I'm gonna get out. Thank you.
You on?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah. Yeah, get the net. Hurry. Yeah, this one's decent. Don't rush it. We're gonna take our time.
Alright.
Yeah.
He's good.
Here we go. That's why. He sees the boat, he sees what's happening, now he starts running. So we're gonna loosen our drag. We're gonna shut the trolling motor off because he's running to the blade. Okay.
Loosen your drag.
What's that?
Loosen your drag, right?
All right, yeah, yep, I loosened it. So he's gonna go on a few runs. See that?
Yeah.
So we're just gonna let him, as he goes on a run, I kind of bend down with it. All right, get ready. Here comes my leader. Don't chase it, don't chase it. It's okay. We're gonna try it again. This one's probably 4 or 5. All right, wait. There you go. Money, baby!
There we go.
High five, baby! Oh my God! That's a giant!
That's a giant!
That's a giant! Oh, no way.
Oh, it's giant.
So glad we just had 15 more minutes.
I'm so glad it's 15 more minutes.
Oh, watch your hand.
Sorry.
Yo! That's a toad! How much do you think it weighs?
3.
3? I got 4.5. Let me see that scale. Clamp it on. Okay. Yeah, that's right. 4 pounds, 2 ounces.
Pounds, 2 ounces. Oh, that's crazy. No way.